AI is here to stay. That's for sure. It's not going anywhere. But the thing that you have to understand is there's something called the knowledge pyramid that starts at the base with data, then data becomes information, information becomes knowledge, and knowledge becomes wisdom. What AI is humans' opportunity or attempt at creating the way our brains work in a computer. AI, at best, can take data and turn it into information. Some of the greatest AI tools now can take that information and scratch the surface of knowledge. There isn't an AI tool that exists that can bring in the wisdom that you possess. And so if you want to use AI, if you are using, and I think you should, understand it's a tool. That's all it is. It's a tool. The start, it's not the end.